What's the meaning of courageously? Courageously. Courageously.
Courageously. Courageously. The term courageously refers to the quality of acting with bravery, especially in the face of danger or adversity. It involves facing fears and taking bold action despite potential risks. It requires a strong will and determination to stand up for one's beliefs and values, even when it may not be popular or easy to do so. Being courageous can lead to positive outcomes, such as achieving personal growth and inspiring others to do the same. Overall, acting courageously involves displaying strength, fortitude, and resilience in the face of challenges.